Welcome to the Canary Islands, the 7 little pieces of paradise just off the coast of Morocco. We cycled all 7 in September and October of 2018, discovered the beauty, biodiversity and tasty foods they have to offer. It's time for gazpacho! And connected throughout them by ferry. Now it's time to take you along our 7 weeks on 7 islands and to show them to you from our bicycle perspective. This is Cycling the Canary Islands. Fuerteventura, the floating desert in the sea. As the ferry pushed itself through the light blue waters, our bikes and ourselves were anxiously awaiting the next island. Always draped in sunshine, with plenty of gravel to ride, and beaches to camp out on, this island was immediately quite promising.
Are you up for explaining?
Yeah, we are in Fuerteventura, it's the new island, and we're figuring out the route. We stock up on food, we went to Mercadona. And we have we're full of very good food because for the next 4 days it's gonna be a bit desertic. And we're gonna be cycling along the coast.
It's gonna be one heck of a dry adventure. But that's more or less our route. Coralejo, where the boat puts us off, onto the coastline.
Magnifico.
Washboard was a little issue, but then again, riding here was like a holiday on its own.
This is what the road surface is like on this trail. Pretty Tajik-like.
We love gravel roads.
Concert!
Looks very sexy, yeah?
Yeah. It's getting late, we need to find a place to camp. Do you know where to go?
Me? No?
Yeah.
Where
No?
that car is, maybe?
For finding routes, we use this app called Maps.me. This is the island we're on now. You can see those dotted roads. They are usually gravel paths, and so we try to stick to them in order to find camp spots. It's really nice for that. It's really good.
Maps.me has always proven itself a pretty handy tool. We downloaded the offline maps, and they provided the outline for our journey of 7 weeks on 7 islands. Seeing that it's not always reliable in putting you on solid roads, we use Google Maps simultaneously.
How's climbing so far?
I'm tired.
How's the island so far?
It's too dry. It's too dry.
Yeah, I agree.
We decided to leave the coast and go inland because the coast was a bit much of the same. And at least here there's a couple mountains.
And they have some bike lanes too. Soon, we were spending time on white beaches, taking selfies, and admiring the view.
So what's this island good for again?
What we're doing right now. Sunbathing by the beach. Just a chill life.
Gazpacho.
And gazpacho.
Coffee time.
But then we discovered something much less pleasant.
Yeah, so this is how dogs are kept here in some places. Which is great. Nice, huh?
These are running dogs. Mainly used for hunting.
So there you go, these are dogs being used for hunting. It's a common thing in the south of Spain to keep dogs for running, but here's hunting. And as you can see, they're really badly taken care of. They're in these really small cages, in their own pee and poop, trying to fuck each other. I find it so fucking toxic when people do this kind of thing, because a dog is meant to be a man's friend, not a fucking tool. And these dogs are just used for hunting and then put back into their cages, seen as one purpose only. Hunt my food, then go back into your fucking cage.
Then the sketchy owner noticed us, and for our own safety we had to leave them behind. There is no such thing as an animal ambulance or protection in Spain. They are left to their owners and a handful of activist groups trying to free these mistreated beings. And together with the trash by the side of each road, these were the two things that bothered us most in the island. When confronted, we simply tried to move on from them.
Nearly coffee time. Oh yes. Every last drop.
I really didn't realize when I got the bag.
You got plastic?
Yeah. Sorry. But I can use it for something else.
You can use it for trash.
It's nice bread. 58 cents.
Nice.
Yeah. And we can sit down there. There's a pedestrian road.
Now, onto the roads. Fuerteventura offers some spectacular climbing in the center and the south of the island. I mean, you can see it already. And even though we were fully loaded, the soothing climate and smooth surface made it a true treat to ride on. What a beauty of a road, don't you think?
I'm sweating like crazy.
We're nearly there.
We're climbing like crazy too.
Yeah, also this looks like Kyrgyzstan. Reliving the memories. Only now it's super smooth asphalt.
And it's easy to climb.
Ooh,
Oh,
sweet mountains. Hello, sweaty bee.
hey.
There's the top. We just made it to the top of the pass, so it's time for something special.
Oh yeah? Gazpacho!
It's time for gazpacho. This stuff here, Gazpacho tradicional is the best drink after a climb ever. It's best refrigerated. It's also better than beer. It's vegan. It's without alcohol.
It's healthy.
Have gazpacho tradicional today. Good morning. Where are we going today?
We go to a beach called Cofete, which is supposed to be very beautiful. But there's strong climb before reaching it.
And it's way over there. This island is really like Tajikistan.
I agree.
Bad roads and sheep. This is my go-to Canary Island sandwich. It's hummus, some paprika and some olives. Also with paprika because they're the cheapest. Go-to sandwich for climbing passes.
Buen provecho.
Good morning!
Hey.
How do you feel?
Well, it was as sticky as one can get.
And with that feeling, we concluded our ride on Fuerteventura. It had been hot, dusty, and an adventure once again. And from the 2 sandy islands yet cycled, it was now time to move on to more tropical places. For those who would like to support future tours and video series like these, feel free to check out the Patreon link below.